Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my mom is going to show you how to create a simple waterfall braid for beginners, and I'll be guiding you through every step. So let's get into it. The first step is to take a small section at the front and divide it into 3 strands. Then cross the top strand over and into the middle, then cross the bottom strand over and into the middle. Again, cross the top strand over the middle. Then you're going to add a little mohair from the part line to the middle strand. Now drop the bottom strand, pick up a new section from underneath and cross it over and into the middle. Again, cross the top strand over the middle, add hair to it, drop the bottom strand, and pick up a new one from underneath. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to create a double waterfall braid with an ultimate guide. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Keep braiding towards the back of the head. Once you reach the back, finish with a regular braid. Secure it with a hair tie and gently pull apart the edges for added texture. For a half up, half down look, repeat the same steps on the other side. There you have it, a gorgeous waterfall braid for beginners. Don't forget to check out our upcoming double waterfall braid tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.